Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. So is your Xiaomi vacuum cleaner dying too fast? Here's how to replace the battery in under 5 minutes. So this is the new one I ordered already from AliExpress. So you will need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, this new battery. So this one is the 12,800 milliamps. There are several options from the link that I will leave in the video description. I went for the one with more charge, okay, with more capacity. So first flip it over and remove the screws around the bottom cover, okay, but before we need to take 3 parts out. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so first one out is this one. Okay, easy. Second one, the protection, and this one out. Okay, you can take opportunity to make some cleaning. I did not. Now we will remove all the screws. So with the help of video editing, I will make this process really fast. Okay, so now we will pop up the plastic cover. And we need to disconnect the old battery and lift it out. Okay. Once it is disconnected, drop in your new one, 14.4 volts battery. Reconnect it and snap the cover back on. Don't forget, if this video is helping you, to give it a thumbs up. This way YouTube will know that the video is helping people and it will recommend to more viewers. Okay, screw everything back together. Let's put back the parts we took earlier. Okay. Now the protection. Okay, the last one, and we are ready to go. So don't forget, if this video helped you, leave a thumbs up and I'll catch you on a new one. The link is in the video description.